Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's start today's tech news. Tech news number 3. The first tech news is about Redmi Note 9 Pro. Redmi Note 9 Pro is going to release a mid version 4GB RAM plus 128GB storage variant at 16,000, powered by 720G and offers up to 6GB plus 128GB, and the lowest variant is 4GB plus 64GB. The next tech news is about Redmi. Redmi 9 will be released on 4th August during the Prime Day sale at 11,999, really 12,000. So the middle variant of Redmi Note 9 Pro is released as faster. The next tech news is about Google. Google is going to launch Pixel 4a. It is going to be launched on August 3, which will be the competition to OnePlus Nord and iPhone SE 2020. And the one model of 4a comes with 5G and the other will come with Snapdragon 7. Next tech news is about Oppo F15. Oppo F15 starts receiving ColorOS 7 with Android 10 stable update. Features include one hand mode and three finger screenshot, etc. If you are a Oppo F15 user, you will be getting this update. And the next news is about PUBG, the player unknown battlegrounds. Many players of India play this game, but India is going to ban the PUBG because of the China taking some data from our phones. If PUBG banned, there will be another Big Bang Theory. Haha, just kidding. The next news is about Call of Duty. Call of Duty is going to receive two new multiplayer modern warfare maps, and the maps will be small sized. The next tech news is about the Samsung. Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 reveals with an 1.2-inch screen with a heart rate monitor and with 5 ATM rating and IP68 water resistance and withstand up to 50 meters for 10 minutes. The next tech news is about Vivo. Vivo released V19 1 month back with a 712 processor, and now the Vivo reduces 4,000 rupees on the Vivo V19, and now the price is 24,999. Who buys 712 chipset at a rate of 25k? We are now getting 5G at that 25k with OnePlus Nord. Anyone will go with OnePlus Nord. And the next tech news is about OnePlus Nord. OnePlus Nord pre-orders began on Amazon with a massive demand, and the pre-orders will be continued up to August 3rd. And one more news about OnePlus Nord is about its bend test. The Jerry Rig Everything posted durability test of OnePlus Nord, and the quality is not so good. It bends with a pressure when we keep the phone in our pant. The next tech news is about Qualcomm. Qualcomm launches Quick Charge 5.0. It says we can charge a 4000 mAh battery from 0 to 50% in 5 minutes. Before, all the companies started falling on cameras, and now all the companies started about the charging. The many companies tested 125 watt, 120 watt, and many companies are bringing their phones with the 120-watt charging too. Now the Qualcomm also started. Now the next tech news is about BSNL. BSNL will extend the 6 paisa cashback till the July 31st, and it will increase the fixed monthly charges from August 1st. Now the next news is about India ban. India is going to ban the 47 China apps, and other 250 are listed. And into that list the PUBG is also gone. It's a very bad news for the PUBG players. And the PUBG is going to be banned as many articles have written. Up to me, the PUBG should not be banned because I am also a PUBG player. If you are also a PUBG player, then comment your ID below. The next tech news is about Poco. If you have Poco M2 Pro, the June 2020 security patch is released. Check your phones if you got the security patch. The next tech news is about Honor. Honor 9s gets listed on the Flipkart, which will be released on July 31st in India. Comes with 5.45-inch display and MediaTek Helio P22 with a 5MP front camera and 8MP rear camera with 3020 mAh battery. And the next tech news is about Motorola. Motorola is going to release its Motorola Razr 2020 smartphone, and the render images are as shown in your display. It comes with a foldable display and the camera bump is slightly on the bigger side. The next tech news is about Xiaomi. A mysterious smartphone of the Xiaomi has been spotted on a popular benchmark website Antutu. Xiaomi's next smartphone may be more powerful than the Asus ROG Phone 3. Asus ROG Phone 3 is the most powerful phone till now, with a Antutu score of 6,21,000. And coming to the Antutu score of Xiaomi mysterious smartphone is 6,87,000, which is much more powerful than the Asus ROG Phone 3 and exciting too. And the price of the mysterious Xiaomi smartphone would be more than or equal to 50,000. Now the next tech news is about Vivo. Vivo is going to release X60s 5G smartphone with an processor of 765G and 33-watt fast charging and comes with an Android 10. The next tech news is about iQOO. iQOO is going to release a new phone by the end of this week or in the next month, and the phone comes with 120-watt fast charging and it also comes with 144 Hz refresh rate, and it is named by a trademark of Vivo. The next tech news is about Vivo. Vivo is going to release its new phone Vivo S7. It comes with the same design as Vivo X50 Pro, expecting a gimbal camera. It comes with mid-range price and an AMOLED panel with 44MP selfie camera. Tomorrow I am going to do a video on whether a UV laser can kill the coronavirus or not. For that video, do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon.